Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to blur faces in Canva. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. So let's start. Here I am in Canva workspace. Here I have image of two peoples. If I want to blur their faces, simply we need to first click on this image and head into this edit image. Over here search for blur and hit enter. Here you can find tool as blur. Click on blur. When we select blur, we come over this interface. Over here you can find auto, blur and restore. If we click on auto, whole image is gonna be blurred. From here you can change intensity of blur. But if you want to blur only face, then we can simply click on this plus icon of blur. Here is brush size. We can increase and decrease this brush size by just scrolling over here. To blur face, you just need to do is hover your cursor by clicking over this face and just leave. You can see face of this person is blurred. Also, if you want to blur this image of this girl, then just click and hover over here and just leave. In this way we can blur the faces in Canva. Here we can change intensity. We can increase and decrease intensity of blur from here. In this way we can blur faces in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.